Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to join Dead Roads Discord server, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is simply open your browser and go to the Roblox. So I'm on my Roblox account here, or if it asks for login, then log into your account. Now when you are on your account, you can simply use the search box here, and you have to search for Dead Roads and hit enter, and you can find the Dead Road game here. So here it is, the Dead Roads. So where you can simply click on it, and you can scroll down and you can find the social link section where you can find the Discord server link. Simply click on this and it will actually lead you to the invitation link, and it will open the your Discord application. Now from here you have to accept their invitation link. Simply click on accept as your account here. Now here you can find their Discord server. Now you have to simply answer this true question that they have. You have to simply click on it and simply click on next. Now the roles here, you can go with any of them. Simply click on finish and you are good to go. Now you can find all of this from here. You can find the chat, community chat from here, rules and regulations, and that's pretty much all thing. That's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.